Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make globally famous starter. The name of the recipe is fish fingers. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. Approximately 200 grams salmon fish, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon mustard paste, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, half bowl breadcrumbs, salt to taste and oil. First we'll cut the fish lengthwise in the shape of fingers. Now we'll marinate the fish. There are two marinations for fish fingers. In first marination we'll put salt, black pepper, lemon juice and we'll mix well and keep it for 10 minutes. Now we will prepare second marination. For that we'll take an egg, mustard paste, salt, black pepper, garlic, all-purpose flour and mix well. Now we'll put marinated fish in this and we'll mix well and make sure that each and every piece of fish has been coated properly. Now we'll crumb all the fish pieces. Like this we'll crumb all the fish pieces. All fish pieces are ready to fry. We have to fry fish pieces on medium flame until golden brown. Fish fingers have become golden brown. Let's remove them. Similarly, we will fry all the fish pieces. Yummy and delicious fish fingers are ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many new interesting, tasty and delicious recipes. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.